We've had some really good material today.
Dude, I know. Ran out to an open field with no scopes, got crushed. It was a good time. All right, Brent, where are we gonna beach? Should we go around the south side maybe? Down here on these cliffs and see what happens and see if we can.
Yeah. That's a good idea.
You guys ready?
Yep, let's go.
Let's do it. I'm gonna sit on the right side. Woo. Okay, I cannot shoot it. I scoped in and I won.
Yeah, that is terrible.
Is there a horn?
I'm hoping we can beat the circle and get around the coast. I don't know if we're gonna be able to. We'll be fine.
We'll be fine.
Yeah. Yep, I see him in that building right there to the right on the side. Careful, guys! Don't shoot each other.
Thanks. Kind of like your ballistic mask and no helmet.
I had a helmet, and that guy fucking shot it off.
I don't know if we're gonna be able to get up from there. We're not.
Alright, take it right here.
Yeah.
Go around to the other side.
Well, the only reason is I don't know if we're gonna be able to get up on this at all. I didn't want to take the.
I was just saying, go around the side so they don't see us get off. They don't, so they wouldn't know where we are. So we don't want to show everyone that we're getting off right here. Is what I was saying. So we look down the coast, everyone can see us. We would have gone 30 feet to the left.
Nah, they can't see anything.
Okay.
They're
What?
blind. They're blind turkeys.
What? What? Sorry, mom's talking to me.
Are you sure?
I think so.
Talking to one of us?
Maybe. Light keeps flickering out here. I think I'm IRL.
It turns out I'm actually in a horror movie. Weird.
So those shots definitely came from. Oof.
If you come up a little higher, there's a crest on the hill. We can't be seen from the side. There's just this building over here.
Thank you.
I'm gonna have to mess with this light or something. I have a seizure if it doesn't stop.
It's fucking spooping you something hard, huh?
Spoop.
I got you. Spoop it. Ooh.
It's not flickering now. Of course. Look at this grilled ham and cheese sandwich wants a bite.
There's a level 1 police vest here if anybody needs a vest.
I'm good.
I got a level 3.
Oh, well, that's all. Okay.
Move up again.
Oh man, just think if you dropped on that top of this mountain right here at the beginning. Oh no, it's right there. Is it?
I said what?
In the butt.
Hey, what's in spots? All right. Circle's moving.
Is it already? Dude.
Yeah, it's because we're not already inside of the other circle. Once we're inside of the other circle, it takes for fucking ever.
Yeah. I have the high ground. I'm looking.
Our southwest looks clear.
Yeah, that's what
I hear a car.
He's towards our 285.
I heard a honk. No, I wish we had a car to honk back. Hello? Hello, please? Oh.
Yeah, towards our 255. He's now getting shot at. Oh, good. We got great circle position.
I'm making my way up to this one. Oh shit, there he is right in front of us.
See how close he is?
I hit him. Moving up to this tree. He's still circling. I knocked him out.
Nice.
He's
down.
dead.
He's dead.
Don't get hit by the car.
I died. I'm not. Yeah, there's another guy right where he died. Grenade, grenade, grenade.
Got him. He's down. Sweet. I got this car now for cover too. It just stopped at the fucking tree.
Trying to keep. People are probably gonna try and come over this hill right here.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Right. Good job, y'all. Shot the shit out of that guy out of that car though. He's coming right at me.
He's coming right for us.
He wanted to fucking run you over.
Yeah. Well, that's why I ran into the tree, because
So we got 7 more. Keep that in mind. 7 people.
I've got a bunch
There's-
of ammo.
Yeah, there's still a lot of circle left too.
Yeah,
All right, guys, we need to move up a little bit.
I'm good.
All right, Mike's good.
I'd say maybe these trees in front of us might be okay. Because that's where they were driving around. They don't really.
I'm in this bush. Oh, there's a guy on the ground in front of me. West 285.
I don't have. Yeah, there he
Got
is.
him.
Killed him. Nice.
Must have been his partner. I'm back in the bush.
Okay.
Flash hider equipped.
You like my position?
I literally came out of the bush, killed him, went back in bush.
All right, so there's 2 cars up here in the center.
Shit. We're pretty good still positioned. Look at this next circle. I mean, I'm gonna have to move up a little bit, but
That's when we're gonna have to fight right up there where I just killed that guy.
yeah. I've got
Like right here.
Well, I got 1 smoke. I got 2 smokes. Okay, I'm gonna move up to this tree to your left, John, pretty loudly. So if hey Brent, stay there. I'm actually behind this tree. I'm gonna put down a med kit. Brent, come grab it. I'm gonna run up.
Hold on.
I already put it down.
Okay. I'm back in the bush.
Okay.
I think I see guy. I see. No, I don't know. I can't tell.
I hear silent shots from the top of the hill somewhere. Maybe the other side.
We got 12 seconds. I'm about to crawl forward.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a fanatic. I'm just laying out here in the open. I don't give a shit. Everybody's gonna be looking behind trees.
Yeah, and the grass is gonna render for everyone out here pretty much. It's so small.
Okay, yep. Shots to the west. Over the crest of the hill by the cars. It looked.
5 people left, besides us.
Oh!
Oh yeah.
Oh, beautiful.
Of course, I'm not in it.
Where are you guys looking? Up the
I'm
hill?
watching straight ahead towards these cars from my position. I'm trying to keep an eye up the hill because they're gonna have a good shot on me. So I gotta get them first.
Yeah. left.
That's.
Oh, I see
to
him.
our left by those trees.
And up top, smoking.
Don't shoot if you don't have to. Got him.
There you go. Killed him. You killed him. Grenade. Incendiary. There's another one over there. They just threw an incendiary.
Oh, I see him. I see him. I see him. They're all on the other side of the. Good shit. I believe that's all. It might be all of them.
No, he's just knocked out. That guy's not killed.
They gotta move to you guys.
Keep an eye on that guy if you can, because his buddy's not
Yeah,
trying to revive him.
Yeah, I lost him.
I'm trying to keep an eye up the hill in case they try to come up and around.
Got movement over to the left.
Oh yeah, he's running. Oh, they're running. Oh yeah.
By the tree to the left.
Up top.
Reloading.
That's it.
Did we down anybody?
There's a guy southwest of me and this tree right in front of me, y'all.
Alright, he's down. Dead guy.
That guy in front of me?
Well, there was a guy who was crawling sideways up the hill.
Make sure to use any energy drinks if you can, if you have the chance.
I am right now.
So 2 besides us, 2 people left. At
There's-
least one of them
I
is in
think
that
there's-
direction.
Yeah, there's what? Yeah, he's in that tree right in front of me, John.
I'm dead. Or I'm down. They're both behind us. They're both behind us.
One's down.
He's gonna try to revive. One of
Flash
you has
going
an
out.
incendiary.
Flash out.
I'm still checking. I'm watching.
I'm running. One of them's dead.
He's over the right.
I'll go around the left side of this tree, Brent. Go around the right.
I'm running.
I'm almost dead. I'm reloading.
I'm running. We win!
Nice!
Woo!
Yo!
Yes!
Fucking beautiful.
I'm so glad I recorded the end of that match. Oh man, that was awesome.
Yo, I streamed the end of it.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, as we were in the boat.
Yeah, I turned mine on right at the boat.
Got 2 kills there. How many kills did you guys get?
2 kills.
Nice. Dude, good shit, guys. I need a break after that one if that's cool.
Oh, yeah. Holy cow.
Yes.
It's early.
We got such good positioning with a circle on the hill. That's what's like we were so set.
Yeah. And when I ran up again, I was good too. Let me stop broadcasting a second.